Diddy Kong,
That's
Super
the
Mario.
only games I got. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then 25 for the GameCube.
Yeah.
So that'd be 75 if I got both. And what did you say for the PlayStation? Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, thanks. I'm gonna have to put this down. I'm gonna get that. Okay, I'll move it down for you.
These are all free?
Yes.
Oh man.
Free VHS thing?
Yeah, free.
Impossible.
It's the thing. It's the real thing. Oh, train whistle?
Great box sets.
Yes, sir. Handcrafted from the Marshall Islands for free.
I don't know what that is.
Wow. The late great Titanic. Definitely want that.
Little guy has a new home.
He does. He's gonna be big little 2-year-old grandson. So
Oh
he's
my God.
perfect.
He's so cool. He's sold already?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's cool.
This is terrific.
It's awesome,
I
yeah.
bought that years ago with great plans to put it together. and
You
I
never
did.
did.
So all the parts are there.
Awesome. Yeah, I love it. Definitely gonna grab that. Going with the wind. LL Bean. It's like a tent. Paul, he got a haul, huh?
Who?
That guy.
Okay.
He got a
Seems like it.
bunch of stuff.
Seems like it.
3 Christmas lights. Alright, nothing else good in here?
Your mom's a hoot.
Yeah, she is. She's fun. The viewers love my mom. They find her very entertaining.
You want those C9s behind you?
I do like them. I would get them. That's the sort of stuff I keep though, because I like decorating my house.
That's highly.
It is. This looks cool. Lawrence of Arabia.
I actually got one last week.
Oh really?
Another one.
A sealed one?
Yeah.
Bridge on the River Kwai. It's a classic. This Titanic thing looks really cool.
Yeah.
Giant model.
That's Samsonite.
Ooh, Swanee, Samsonite.
I know it's S.
Do you have change for a 10 on the Titanic?
Oh, great. Thank you.
This is cool. Here, Paul, they're right here. These are pretty cool.
Oh, they're like a plug-in?
Yeah. Grab them. Yeah. That's cool. Did you guys do $5 for these 3 things?
Yes.
I think you have 4 and then 1 each.
That would
They're
be
just $1 off. 4. These are like really new bills.
Oh yeah, you gotta make sure.
5.
Okay, that's great. Thank
All
you
right,
so
thank
much.
you guys.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Selling some lemonade.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Make all these cookies? You did. Wow, okay, I'll have to get some.
So there's a bunch of people doing it or just you guys?
It's supposed to be a neighborhood garage sale.
Okay. Is it $5 for both bags, sir?
I don't know, my wife's been...
They're all the same. Are these 5 for both, ma'am?
5 for each. Because those are like $15 each in the store.
Okay.
They're like LOLs.
Oh, I didn't. 5 and 2, right?
Yeah, 5 and 2, yeah.
Okay.
Smaller bags.
Gotcha. Harry and Ron.
Uh-oh. That's cool.
Look at these Hatchimals, Paul. Don't you collect Hatchimals?
No, stop.
stopped.
You stopped?
Stopped collecting Hatchimals. It's really good.
Oh man,
I grew out of them.
that's crazy.
I collect.
They got everything you could ever want.
That's what I'm all through.
Lots of girl stuff.
It's 25 cents per item in here.
Yep.
Okay.
But
Same
yeah,
question.
I'm not sure
Your
how
mom
many
doesn't know where
stars
tag sales from, you know?
are. Kind of a last minute thing.
Yeah, what's a tag sale, man? That's weird looking.
Let me see the hair.
The hair, isn't that
That's
cool?
cool.
Yeah, Jurassic World.
What's the brand of them?
I don't know. I just gotta have it.
No, they're really cool.
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
Are you into the LOLs?
Yes.
I have a whole bunch. I have like little
Ooh.
packages that are all together, like a little
Nice.
kits. Like
Three,
these little
yeah.
things are it's not, maybe missing a small little piece, but they're mostly all there.
Okay.
And those have dials in it. Brookie, can you run up and get your keys for these?
Oh yeah.
Keys for those.
You gotta get the keys, yeah.
Yeah. When you have a little girl. you
Yeah.
know, those are really nice. She, my daughter, like little,
Oh, wow.
all the LOL stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is she not collecting anymore? Or?
Nope, she's done.
Moving on.
Moving on. She's
Oh,
10
wow.
years old. Doesn't want any more toys.
She's too cool.
She's too cool.
I get it.
Another one
Wow.
here.
Yeah.
She had a big collection.
I
those
see
are,
that.
Those are Hatchimals. Barbies are $1 each.
$1 each?
Yeah. For the
What are these? This is.
That's a Hatchimal
That's
thing.
a
That you put
Hatchimal
like
thing,
a
yeah.
Hatchimal and you like put glitter on it. And these are, I think these are more. These are LOLs.
Yep. Oh, look at those too. Are you guys selling any video games or anything?
Nope, I don't have any video games. I mean, she.
Do you have
that's what
Pokemon
she-
cards that you're selling, or just
Just a 10.
10?
She has Pokemon cards. She's a collector of Pokemon
That's what
cards.
she's collecting now.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What's your favorite?
That's the keys for the.
Yeah, that's
The
the
locks?
keys for those.
Okay.
Mine
Yeah.
is Charmander. The best.
Yeah, come on.
1995 girl right here.
Squirtle, guys, come on. Those are little Hatchimals.
Like a baby.
Oh, that's a Disney. Is that from Animal Kingdom? Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like they were brand new.
Yeah, they're brand spanking new.
Oh, you're getting those shoes, Paul?
Yes, those are my size.
Those ones,
I thought those were what you were talking about.
All right, so these little bags didn't have a price on them, just little accessories. If I get all this, it's $39. What would you do? Just $39.50. So I don't know what you'd have on that remainder.
wanna do 40?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Do you need a bag?
Yeah, if you have one. She's coming from a place of weakness. I must have this. I will pay any price. Tell her $100. All right, we good? What? You look at this horse, Paul? Hey, these are cool. These little ones that go on your finger. They're like little robots. Is that there?
Jelly belly.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Jelly cat's solid. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna keep this one. I like this one.
That's really filthy. I don't want it. It's too dirty.
It's a.
I know, but it's too dirty.
It's, what's this?
He always has not enough.
Skyrocket. I've never heard of that.
No,
Without problems, that.
How much is this bag? I didn't see a.
I think there was five. I think it was $5.
Those are all fingerlings, right?
Oh, yeah, that's yep, a whole bunch of fingerlings with a bunch of playsets.
And they all do like the grab your finger, and then this is their playset. So what'd you say, 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that. And then what about these two?
I think I have $1 for those two.
Okay, so 6 or 7?
6, I think.
Okay.
He plugs in and he charges, you play with the ball and he zooms around.
Oh, he's like a zoomer pet or whatever?
Yeah.
I know all the
I'm getting these
toys.
for my dog. I have a
$6. Here you go, man.
2, and this one's $1. The cat.
Oh boy.
Oh, there's more LOL stuff.
$6 for these.
That's an LOL container.
I know.
All your LOL containers.
Oh, is it? All right, $6 more. How much is she?
She's 3.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Give me 1 back. Because it's 6 and then 3.
Oh, and I ordered 15.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, watch this one.
I almost forgot the 15.
You gotta walk out.
She seals all the time.
I saw I bet 15 and then 3. Yeah, I might buy more too. I'll pay me now, but I almost forgot to pay for
Let
the
me
other
get your
stuff.
change.
Thought I already paid you. I'm really good at that. I'm pretty elderly, you know?
Hey, Dave.
Yeah.
Horsing around.
Got him. He was waiting for that.
I've never laughed so hard in my life. Christmas is coming.
Christmas is coming.
It is. Look at all these Hatchimals, man.
I've never had any luck with those.
No, me either. But there's a lot of them. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done, guys. I know. You want me to
You
leave?
bought a half for sale.
I bought half the sale out. Is this Mom? She's got just as bad of a problem. You see where I get it.
Tell they related?
Yeah. All right, cool. We're going to see.
I have 2 nieces and 4.
How much is your hat?
$1. Yeah, trying to get rid of as much as I can. So thank
I
you.
gotcha. That thing's cool. That's from Raya.
OMG, Justin Secret's reveal.
How much is this guy?
3.
$3. Did it come with like a character?
No, that's all it came with.
Okay.
And then I guess my daughter,
Yeah.
I bought it for her and she didn't even use it.
I think it's, you said $3.
Yeah.
What's all this stuff?
That's from Wrangler Jeep.
Oh, okay.
JK.
$3. Thank you. Yeah, I can load it up. Thank you.
Cool.
You can help them too. Yeah. Really? Did he see it? I wonder.
They're gonna be grabbing them things probably right before Christmas, but I just don't have
Yeah.
room for them.
Yeah.
So this was 50.
Yeah, and I can cut it on and show you it works.
Pretty
Okay.
good for that.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that's pretty good because
Is
my
it
little,
doesn't have a
my
stylus, but I
grandbaby
could
played
order
it.
one.
I think I took all her pictures off
You
of
can
there.
buy the pins at Walmart.
Yeah. And is the power cord? Is that one
Yeah,
of
that's
these?
the power cord.
This
It's
is the power. Okay, it's like
that one right
universal.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a universal.
And it comes with these.
Yeah,
Diddy Kong,
that's
Super
the only
Mario.
games I got. Yeah,
Okay.
so,
And then 25 for the GameCube.
yeah.
So that'd be 75 if I got both. And what did you say for the PlayStation?
25.
So 100. If it's right, 150, 25 would be 100
Yeah.
Yes.
for all that.
Yeah.
Would you throw this in? Because it's pretty beat, or?
Yeah, I'll throw it in.
Okay.
I'll let you have it.
Okay.
You get that for 100.
Yeah, I'll give you $100. Okay.
Oh, okay, I appreciate it.
Cool.
All right, thank you.
Any chance you guys got like a bag or something?
Yep.
Okay,
yeah, we
40,
got those right here.
60, 80, 100.
Okay, I appreciate it.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hold on.
And I'll put these in my backpack just
This
so I don't
does
lose them.
work. It's just got a little neck in it.
Yeah,
But you can buy
I think
the
yeah, I
cord.
think
They
I
roughed
can
up
buy the
stuff, I
cord.
did.
We
Yeah.
rough up on them all the time. And
Yeah.
My other one throws things.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
And he's grown.
Yeah.
Well, he
With
can
kids.
he can do that sometimes when he's playing Fortnite, you know.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
remember before the school bus
Yeah.
run every morning, I hear that little noise.
Yeah.
This was like 30 years ago.
And I got 2 universal chargers if
Okay.
you want it.
Perfect, yeah.
And I'd hear him in there throwing it against the wall.
Really?
I'm pulling the
Yeah.
plug out now.
Oh man,
They know all about these old game systems. They go through them.
the rage, you know, you can't stop the rage.
My brother gets aggravated when he'll throw the controller against the wall if he can't get something right in one of the games or something.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that's pretty normal though.
Yeah.
People get frustrated. Okay,
Oh,
Yeah, I
my.
appreciate it.
cool. Thank you guys. Good luck. You have a good one. Hey everyone, thanks so much for coming with me yard sailing today. Got some really cool stuff. That first sale, we were a tiny bit late and we missed out on some really unique stuff that I saw someone walking away with. One of the things was a big giant, I don't know, maybe 3 foot tall little monster butler, which would have been a really cool thing to sell around Halloween time, and I think he goes for around 100 to 150 based on the comps I found. I did get some Christmas stuff. Some of it I'm keeping for myself and some listed. I think that candle holder we ended up listing for around $20 based on comps. That Titanic model actually has kind of all over the place solds on eBay. I saw one sold for like 50, but it was opened and used. And I did see one sell for 100 that was open box but complete. The one I got is complete, never been punched out or anything. So I think I could probably get over $100 for that Titanic model, which is pretty awesome. And then the toy mega sale. I bought so many toys. I got Harry Potter, of course, Ron. I got the Jurassic World dinosaur, which this guy sells for like 15 bucks just himself. Harry Potter's actually not that valuable. I think he only goes for like 8, so I'm probably just going to keep him. I do collect weird action figures like Austin Powers here. And of course my favorite, Quail Man. But the LOL Surprise was the big find there. I've sold similar lots of LOL Surprise for well over $100. I mean, Paul the Philly Flipper, who was with me yard sailing this day, make sure you check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link below, Philly Flipper, it's PH for Flipper. Recently sold a giant haul of LOL for $5.99, I think he said. I think basically the amount of LOL I got is about $200 to $300 worth. My daughters did take some of them from me, but even with the ones left, I should bring in over $200 in LOL Surprise. And then we're like leaving the best for last. I go to this flea market with Eric the OBX picker down in South Carolina, and I get a killer video game haul. This video, I mean, I'm not doing the math, I'm too lazy, but it's got to be like $1,000 in profit. Just those 2 GameCube Metroid games I got were worth the $100 I paid for all the consoles and all the other games, the DS, like all that stuff that I paid $100 for is going to pretty much be paid off with the 2 Metroid games once I sell them. I haven't listed them yet, but I will probably by the time this video goes live. Really awesome finds. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Smash the like button. Let me know what you think was my best find of the day.